How's it going, you delightful people? My name is Raplar, and today I'm giving away my first ever preset pack for Sony Vegas, and best of all, it's completely free. I'm not going to charge you guys for this. Basically what you're going to get from this pack is you're going to get 4 presets. These presets are pretty much just colored impacts for sniping montages and sniping edits, or at least that's what I pretty much use them for. And best of all, like I've already said, it's completely free. I'm not going to charge you guys for this. And to get this pack for free, you're going to go into the description of this video, click on the Google Drive, and you're going to download the RAR file that's there, and it'll be called Raplar'S Free Mini SV Preset Pack. You're going to download it, extract it to wherever you want, and when you get it, it's going to look like this. Open it up. You're going to have 4 things. You're going to have the sniping edit that you saw at the very beginning of this video. You're going to have a README file. You're going to have a .sf preset file, as well as you're going to have Preset Manager 20k.exe. You want to install the preset manager first, because without that, you're not going to be able to install the preset. Once you've installed the preset manager, open up the SF preset file. What you're going to do is you're just going to come up here and you're going to see one says copy to system, one says copy to file. Click copy to system. You're not going to get this. Obviously, I already have them on my PC, obviously. So for me, obviously, it says, do I want to overwrite them? There's no point. I mean, I can press yes to all because they're the same files. But yeah, all you're going to want to do is press copy to system, and you're going to have all the presets that are in here. Now, once you're in Sony Vegas and you have your project file opened, to add these presets, it's really, really simple. All you're going to do is go to the section that you want to add the effect to, press the FX button on the right-hand side of it. Load everything up. It's going to load all your presets. Now, if you have a lot of presets like I do, the easiest thing to do is just type in the letter R for Raplar so you can find my ones easier. It's going to bring you to your R section. All you want to do is just double click on whichever effect you want, and you're going to be good to go. Just press OK. It's going to add everything for you. And when I press play, you can see now that the effect has been added. So if I press play quickly, and it was a little bit laggy, but you saw them in the beginning of the video anyway. So this was the first preset pack that I've ever done. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping some more soon. I'm going to try and keep them free unless they're some of my more personal special effects. For those packs, I will probably have to charge for them, but I can definitely hook you guys up with some good free preset packs for montage editing, for any game really, Fortnite, Call of Duty, whatever. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this one. Not much in this preset pack, but you know, just a good way to get into doing it. And I'll see you in the next one. Catch you in a bit.